Hello and welcome to my channel Mathematical Coaching Center. In today's class, we'll do problem on simultaneous linear equation part 2. If you haven't gone through with my part 1, the link is given in the description. So let's start today's class.
In this question, you can see that if 1 is added to a number, added means you know that it's plus, yeah? Number of a fraction, it becomes 1 by 5. So you know what you have to note is that fraction added 1 by 5. If 1 is taken means minus, from the denominator it becomes 1 by 7. Find the numbers. So what they are given is that the number are in fraction. So solution, what you will take? Let the number be x and y. But what they are given is that fraction. So what will be the fraction? Therefore, fraction equals to, what can I write fraction? X upon y. So x is my numerator and y is my denominator. So what they are given according to question. So number first, what they are given, 1 is added to the numerator. So 1 is added means x plus 1 to the numerator upon y. It becomes, you can see it becomes 1 by 5. That means I can write this as 1 by 5. Now first our step is that we have to make the equation 1 and 2. Then we have to solve by the elimination method. So what you can do here is that cross multiply. This y will go this side and this 5 will come this side. So what will be this? 5x plus 1 equals to y into 1 will be y only. So this is 5x, 5 ones are 5 equals to y. Or so what you can do, 5x. Now x and y on the left hand side, so this y will come this side and number will go to the other side. So 5x minus y equals to minus 5. So this is my standard form. So I said you that standard form, x and y has to be on the left hand side and the number has to be on the right hand side. So I got the equation 1. Now I have to form equation 2. Again, anyone, what they are given us? You can see in the next, 1 is taken from the denominator. Taken means minus. So x denominator y minus, how much they have taken out? 1. Okay. So how much it becomes? It becomes 1 by 7. So everything is given in the question only. Okay. So you have to read properly and you have to assemble this way. So what happened to? Now you will do cross multiply. So 7 into x, it will be 7x equals to y minus 1 into 1, it will be y minus 1. So what do you have to do? Now x and y on the left hand side, this y will come this side, 1 will remain this side only. So what will be this? 7x, this y when it comes this side is minus y equals to minus 1. So this I'll take it as equation 2. Okay, so I got equation 1 also, I got equation 2 also. Now you know how to solve this. So if you'll see nicely here, this side is also minus y, this side is also minus y. That means the coefficient of y is 1, this side also coefficient of y is 1. So now what you'll do? So 5x minus y equals to minus 5. So this is my 1. And what do you have next? 7x minus y equals to minus 1. This is my 2. Now will it get cancelled? No. Yes, because both the sign are same. So I have to change the sign. Plus opposite will be minus, minus opposite will be plus, and minus opposite will be again plus. Now you can see here, this y get cancelled. Plus minus, minus, 7 minus 5, 2x. Who is bigger in this? 7. So what will be sign? Minus. Equals to minus plus again, minus. 5 minus 1 is your 4. Who is bigger in this? 5. What do you have sign? Minus. So this minus minus get cancelled. Therefore, x equals to, what can I do? 4 upon 2. This also get cancelled. So I got 2. So therefore, what I got? X equals to 2. Now what I have to do? Putting the value. Therefore, I got x equals to 2. So therefore, x equals to 2. So now what you'll do? Putting the value. Putting the value of x equals to 2 in equation. Which equation I'll put? Equation 1. So you'll copy equation 1. 4x minus y equals to minus 5. What is the value of x? 2. So you'll put 5, 2 minus y equals to minus 5. 5 2s are 10 minus y equals to minus 5. Now who is disturbing? This 10, so I'll take to the other side. So this will be your minus y equals to minus 5. This 10 when it goes, it will be minus 10. So this will be minus y equals to minus minus plus 5 plus 10 15, minus minus get cancelled, so therefore y is equal to 15. So I got the both the value. So what you have to find the number. So therefore the numbers are what do you have numbers x how much I got 2 and y how much I got 15. And if they'll ask you fraction also, you can write therefore fraction equals to what is the x upon y, what you got x 2 upon 15. So this is my final answer. If you want to check, you can cross check with your answer, no need to do any exam. So let's take the left hand side. What do you have? 5x minus y. This is my left hand side. What is the value of x? 5x how much is that? 2 minus y is how much? 15. 5 2s are 10 minus 15. So 10 minus 15 is your minus 5. So you can see here the side is minus 5. That means our answer is correct. And you will get how much marks? 4 marks. This carries 4 marks. So all important question only we are solving in this video. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can comment us in the comment box. Here in this question, what you can see is that the ratio of two numbers is 2 upon 3. So what they are given is that the ratio, and we have two number is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second, the ratio becomes the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just opposite. Suppose if I have x upon y ratio, so reciprocal will be y upon x, just opposite of that. Okay, so of the original ratio. So find the number. So what you will do, everyone, you know, now you have to write let the numbers be x and y. So what they are given? They are given us ratio. So therefore ratio will be, I think so we have done in class 8, yeah, x is to y is my ratio, or you can write this as x upon y also, you can write this way. So according to question, what they are given is that the ratio of two number is 2 upon 3. So already they are given, we have the ratio x upon y is means equals to how much they are given us? 2 upon 3. So we have to form equation 1 and 2. Now what you can do in the next step, you have to do cross multiply. So this 3 will go this side and this y will go this side. So what will be this? 3 into x, 3x equals to 2 into y, 2y. Now x and y on the left hand side, so 3x, this 2y you will bring front to the left hand side. So plus when it comes this side, it will minus 2y equals to 0. So this is my equation 1. So I got the equation 1. Now I have to form equation 2. So again what they are given, you can read the question properly. See, 2 is subtracted from the first. Subtracted means minus. So what you have first? X is there. So it will be x minus 2 divided by, next what they are given? 8 from the second. So that means 8 has been subtracted from the second. That means y minus 8 equals to, you can see here, what they are given becomes the reciprocal. Means x upon y, it will be y upon x. So if you will see nicely here, x upon y, we have this. That means what can I write? This reciprocal will be y upon x. So if it will be y upon x, that means this also will get reciprocal 3 upon 2. Now what you will do is that you will put this number value. Okay. So 2 upon 3 opposite will be 3 upon 2. That is your reciprocal. So now what can I do? Cross multiply. Why I can't put y upon x? If I'll put y upon x, it will be in a square. So I can't put this y upon x. If I'll put this, it will be, the numerical will be more difficult. So if you put the numerical value, it will be more easy. So I'll put 3 upon 2. So now cross multiply. So this 2 will go this side, or so 2x minus 2, this it will go this side, 3y minus 8. Now open the bracket, 2 into x 2x minus 2 2s are 4 equals to 3 into y 3y minus 3 8s are 24. Now everyone, you know, yeah, x and y has to be in the left hand side, number has to be on the right hand side. So this 3x 3y I'll bring this side. So what will be this? 2x minus 3y equals to minus 24. So minus 4, when it goes outside, it will be plus 4. So it will be 2x minus 3y equals to minus 20. So what I'll take this is my equation 2. So I got equation 1 answer, I got equation 2 also. Now I'll do elimination method. So you know that elimination method, what you have to do. If you see Here what do you have? 3x. So in front what do you have here? 2x. So this 2 you will multiply to the equation 1 and this 3 you will multiply to equation 2. So now let's solve this by the elimination method. Now multiplying by 2, what I'll get? 2 3s are 6x minus 2 2s are 4y equals to 2 0s is 0. This side 2 3s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9y equals to 3 20s are how much? 60. So it's minus 60. No. Can I cancel this too? No. That means to cancel I have to change the sign. So plus opposite will be minus, minus opposite will be plus, and this minus opposite also it will be plus. Now this 6x will get cancelled. Now you can see, now you have to forget this minus. Minus plus is your minus. 9 minus 4 is your 5y. Who is bigger? 9y. What do you have? Sign plus. So plus, no need to write. Yeah. So 0 is there. So plus plus is plus. 0 is neither negative nor positive. So directly I can write this as 60. So therefore what will be? Y is equal to 60 upon 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 12s are. So I got therefore y is equal to 12. I got the y value 12. Now what I have to do? Putting the value. So putting the value of y is equal to 12 in equation 1. I will put in equation 1. You can put in equation 2 also. Y equation 1 you can see there is 0. So calculation will be less. In this 20 is there, so calculation will be little bit more. Okay. So try to do in a simple calculation. So what will be this? 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now you will put the value 3x minus 2. What is the value of y? 12 equals to 0. 3x minus plus minus 2 12s are 24 equals to 0. So therefore 3x, this I'll take that side. So minus when it go that side it will be plus 24. So x equals to almost 24 upon 3. 3 3s are 24. So therefore I got x equals to 8 and y is equal to 12. So therefore what will you write? Therefore the numbers are 8 and 12. So this is my final answer. If you want to do cross check, so already I have told you, no need to do an exam, just it will be, you will be confirmed that my answer is right or wrong. So what do you have on the left hand side? 3x minus 2y. So 3, what is the value of x? 8 minus 2, what is the value of y? 12. 3 8s are 24 minus 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. Can you see on the right hand side I have 0? Yes, that means our answer is correct. You will get how much marks? 4 marks. Now let's solve another question. Here you can see this is one of the very important questions. So what they are given is that in a 2-digit number, so we have 2-digit number, the sum of digit is 7. So when you add that digit, it's coming 7. If the number with the order of the digit reverse, suppose I have number 23. Suppose I have number 23. And reverse means, suppose I have a number 23. Reverse means just opposite, it will be 32. Similarly, if I have number here this side, xy, reverse means it will be a yx, just opposite of that. Similarly, here you can see, if a 2-digit number sum is 7, if the number with the order of the digit reverse 28 greater than twice the unit digit of the original number, find the number. So we don't know the number, so we'll take it number xy. So let the number be xy. So unit is y, tens is your x. So what they are given, you can see the 2-digit number, the sum means plus. So x plus y they are given us 7. So x plus y equals to 7. Okay, so now what they are given is that if the number with the order digit reverse means xy, now it will be your yx. So now you can see here yx. Okay, and what they are given, twice the unit. So here you can see, so reverse means now it has been reversed. Okay, yx. I am showing you in a very simple way, and this is the easiest among all the methods. So you can see here, what happens that now you can see here 28 greater than the twice the unit place of the original number. So what you have unit place, you can see y is there. So what they are said, twice means 2 times. So 2y plus greater means plus, greater also means plus. Okay, so it will be plus 28. So if you will do in this method, it will be easy. Now see, y tens, that means it will be 10y plus x into 1. It will be x into 1 equals to 2y plus 28. Okay, so what does this mean is that I'll explain you in a rough form. Suppose I have unit tens. Suppose I have 23. So how you will get 23 is that this unit means 1 and tens means 10. So it's like this, 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. So you can see 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. 2 tens are 20 plus 3 ones are 3. So I got 23. See, with same way I am writing this 10 into y plus x into 1. That's why it's called as unit tens 100. Okay, 100, if I have 100 means it will be 100 like this. Okay, so now this will be a 10y plus x ones are x equals to 2y plus 28. So this is not in my standard form. So what is the standard form? X and y has to be on a left hand side. So x plus 10y, I'm writing in order, x first and y at the second. So this I'll bring in the back. So 2y, when it will be back here this side, it will be plus 2y, it will be minus 2y equals to 28. So what is this? X plus 10 minus 2 is your 8y equals to 28. So you can see I got the equation 2. So this type of question, what problem? Just it is very difficult to form the equation only. After forming the equation, it's very easy. So I got the equation 1 also, I got the equation 2 also. So if you'll see nicely, what you can see here is that x coefficient is 1. This side also x coefficient is 1. That means no need to multiply. If you multiply, it will be multiplied get by 1. So therefore, now we'll solve by elimination method. So what do you have? X plus y is equal to 7. And what do you have down? X plus 8y equals to 28. Will this x will get cancelled? No. That is what you have to do. We have to change the sign. So plus opposite will be minus. Plus opposite will be minus. Plus opposite will be minus. So x got cancelled. Now plus minus is minus. 8 minus 1. It will be 7y. Who is bigger? 8. So sign will be minus. Equals to plus minus minus. 28 minus 7 is your 21. Who is bigger? 28. What do you have? Sign minus. Always the bigger number sign. This minus minus get cancelled. So therefore y is equal to 21 upon 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. So therefore I got y is equal to 3. Now what do you have to do? Now we have to do putting the value. So let's do the putting the value. Therefore putting the value of y is equal to 3 in equation, where it will be easy, 1 or 2. You can see here 1, yeah, x and y, no need to multiply. So equation 1 I'll take. So it will be x plus y is equal to 7. So what do you have y value? So x plus y value is 3 is equal to 7. So x equals to plus 3, when it go that side it will be minus. So 7 minus 3. So therefore x equals to 4. So therefore I got x 4, y 3. What do you have to find? Therefore the number. Therefore the number, how much it will be? It's xy. So xy is how much? X is how much? 4 and y is how much? 53. So you know we can do the cross check also. In my left hand side, what do you have? X plus y. How much we got? X 4. Y how much we got? 3. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. Can you see here? 7. So our answer is right and you will get how much marks? 4. This question looks difficult, but you have to know this one. Unit tens 1. I hope so you got the idea. Unit means it's 1. Tens means it's your 10 you have to multiply. Okay. This part is only little bit difficult. Okay. So this ends the chapter. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.